Good afternoon guys. Ayan, late na ako nagising ngayon. Dahil late na rin ako nakatulog kagabi. Ayan, magluluto tayo ng tinolang manok. Like chicken tinola or chicken soup. Ayan, meron akong garlic. And also, of course, it's not gonna lose ginger mince. And also, oil. So now I think it's really hot now, the casserole, so I need to put now the oil. Right, let's see. So now I need to put first the ginger, because that is the one first I'm doing para mabango. So this smells nice. The aroma is all over. Hang on, because this one is there's water again. Sorry guys, my video is it's not very good. So I just hold it because my new stick is not really good as well. So I ordered the new one so at least I can beat it properly and I just put more ginger. So at least the aroma is come out. Okay. So actually guys, when I'm frying something or do like a soup or some sinigang, I just put first the ginger because the ginger aroma is really good. So yan. You're gonna wait first when the ginger is a bit brown. So now we're gonna do this garlic chops. Guys, I buy this one from the food factory when we went last week. So I just amazed this product. This garlic, because it's already made, is sometimes I buy garlic, I need to remove the skin and I feel awful because my hands smell garlic all over, and then when I'm going to work I smell garlic as well. So anyway, I buy this one, so now I'm gonna use this one, and actually I used this one already a few days ago. So ayan, we'll see. Yep. So I think the ginger is bit okay now. It's brown. Then I'm gonna put now garlic. Yan. Because this is tinola, I want to put more garlic. I like garlic. Garlic is really good. It's an antibiotic. So yeah. And also this one, garlic chop or chopped garlic, you need to put in the freezer so at least the aroma and also the texture is still okay. So this one is frozen, guys. And also, I have as well, what is it? Chopped coriander and also chili, right? Chili. So at least I'm not gonna buy more chili or coriander, and the fresh one, and then I use just one time, and then after that, the rest is going to bend. So yan, it's very convenient and really good, very good. So at least no have wasting. Right, we're gonna come back to what we're doing right now. Oops. Right, and also guys, really careful if you wanna fry something, because the oil is very dangerous. Right, a little bit high. Yeah. And also sorry all my mess still not clean up, and tomorrow it's my day off, so I have plenty time for myself and my kids and my husband as well. So yeah, so now I'm gonna hang on a little bit high. I'm gonna put now this chicken. Oh no. Okay. Chicken first. So at least, you know, the chicken is cooked already. Because I need really fry that one. So very careful, guys. Right. There we go. Done. So now I'm gonna wash my hands. Right. And wipe my hands. So now I'm gonna stirring this chicken like about 2 to 3 minutes. So at least the chicken, it's fry, not too much fry, it's just like a little bit fry. Right, then we can put, we have here pepper. There we go. I need to put a little bit. I love pepper. Yeah. And then I'm gonna close that one. Oh. So yan, starting now to fry. Right. And I have bay leaves. Now I know the name is bay leaves. Yeah. So actually I have lots of spices in here. So I love to cook. Really, I love it. But this time I'm really busy at work, so I'm just cook whatever I want or whenever I'm thinking, because my husband is do some takeaway most of the time. So now I put some 2 or 3 bay leaves. Right, there we go. Put back in here. There we go. Then we start again to fry or stirring, so at least everyone is mixed. Yeah. So now I have what's it called, onion here. So I'm just add it right now, so at least it's not very overcooked. That's why I put last one. So I don't know with the other, when you know they're cooking, they want put all together, but me no, I'm not doing that because I love my onion not overcooked. So right, I'm stirring again. Right. Right. I'm gonna wait 3 to 5 minutes. Cover up. Right. We're gonna wait 3 to 5 minutes, and then we're gonna add some boiling water. You know, mostly when I cook, I just put some hot water at least. Ayan. Buksan na natin. Here we go. It's boiled. After 20 minutes, ayan na po. It's really good. It smells nice. So beautiful. And also this soup is really good for the winter and also rainy day. So hope you can like this recipe what we made today. There we go. Now I'm gonna add this my flavor, added flavor. It's a chicken stew flavor. This always I use all even I fry some vegetable, just only this one I use it, this powder. So I just add a little bit more because this soup I like. The soup is really tasty. Right. Oh. Now we're gonna check again. Now we're gonna taste what it's look like. Yum. Ang sarap. Right. So I'm gonna add more or one more hot water because the spinach is still there. So I need 5 minutes more to boil, and then we're gonna come back after 5 minutes. Charan! Right, we're gonna open again. 5 minutes done. Ta-ra! Now I'm gonna add it the spinach. Spinach. I love the spinach. This healthy spinach and more vitamins. You can have this one. Nathan, he likes spinach. He ate is like this. Right. I put now the spinach, and we are not overcook because spinach you can eat this even not cook. So right, the chicken is done, but I'm still wanted to put a little bit hot boiling water. So now I have ready here. So I'm just, because I like more soup, so at least, if we did not to finish or we have leftover, I can put in the freezer or fridge the leftover, so at least I can have for tomorrow or for tonight. But I don't think so if this one there's a leftover, because Peter as well, he like it, this one. So now we're gonna stir again, and 5 minutes, the tinola is done. This is my tinola recipe. Right, I'm gonna cover again for 3 to 5 minutes. Ayan, I'm gonna open again. It's boiling for the second time around. Ayan. Try ulit natin. I'm gonna try again and taste it. And my rice ready now over there. So I cannot wait because I'm really hungry right now. Um, today, I know 3 days no have rice. So I'm really starving to my work. I just drink coffee and water, energy drink. Right. I'm gonna taste again because it's almost done. Right. Mmm. Right. That's great. There you go. This is my version tinola with spinach. Thank you for watching. Hope you like it. And if you want to ask about the recipe, just so easy. Chicken, garlic, ginger, onion, and spinach, and oil. And if you want to have a flavor, and this is the one I use it, but more option if you want, it's up to you. So thank you for watching, guys, and hope you like it. Bye bye. Let's eat.